Hey there! We are Gala Goals and welcome to our channel.
For being here today, and I introduce this place for you. We got a factory and all the workers here, they are disabled people, but they make all the wonderful products here by duck eggshell seashell. Can you please follow me and I'll show you step by step. Let's go on right here. I want to show you this. We got the ladies, they all wearing traditional dress in Vietnam. This look like my dress. And you can see the material. This is from duck eggshell over there. Yeah, duck eggshell. And
So
the
it's like
hat seashell. Eggshell.
okay.
The hat seashell. Yeah, the color hand painting. And wood inside. Yeah, wood, but we cover many layers of the lacquer, so it's fully custom for all wedding. And you can see the hand painting here. Everything here is all hand painting. So when the finish, it's same design, but it's different a little bit. And you can see it's a crack from river. The payment, that's the next one. Yeah, and here the silver paper. Very sharp. And here I want to show you the next step. Can you touch this one, please? Touch this one. Yeah, this is brown, and this one also.
Oh,
Yeah, you can see the difference here before and after. Yeah, before. Yeah, you know, this one we use duck eggshell, the natural color and the burning color. Now we just only use duck egg. We don't use chicken. Duck egg stronger and thicker. You can see she break it one by one until it break. Stick with the lacquer. Here, break it one by one, and then it breaks. Stick with the lacquer.
dry.
And stick with the wood while dry.
Oh, you could.
Yeah, you can dry. Cousin, yeah, okay. I mean, we got my mom outside. Yeah, there's some more design there. This is the fisherman. Fisherman design. Yeah, fisherman. And here the Buddha design. Buddha design. Yeah. And right there, I'll
Yung
show
mga
you.
tayo nagawa sa lahat are, naabot man ba ang libo?
Oo.
Tagal kasi gawin yun.
See the seashell right there.
Mapapos.
And you know, to cutting the seashell,
Kailangan pa.
we use the handsaw.
Malatan.
We cut the seashell. Yeah. After cutting, we got all the pieces.
Okay, so
We
you
got to
do the
stick
design.
together. Yeah. Stick together, and then just inlay on the wood. Inlay on the wood here. Inlay on the wood.
What is this material?
Seashell.
Seashell.
Seashell. Stick. Inlay on the wood, and it become very sharp.
Where do you get seashell?
We collect it from the local beach nearby. This is the most important step. There, the polish step. You have to cover the layer of lacquer on top, and then you polish by
Polish,
salt paper. Yeah, see.
Until the
And then
design.
the shells come. The shells all come. See, when it's coming, it becomes smooth. Then you bring the smooth one back to the barbecue table and paint the color.
Paint, okay. Oh,
Paint the
so-
color, and you wait until the color dry, then you make the shell. And right there, I'll show you the finish. Here. This is the finish.
Wow.
It becomes smooth.
Yeah.
And yeah.
Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Drop a comment where you want us to go next.